So if you've bought one of these little BACtrack blood alcohol content measuring devices to try and be more responsible, some of you may have noticed a failure. Most of the reviews are pretty good, but some of them fail. And so you push the button and this is what you get. Either just a blink of 13 or just some beeping. Try it again. And yeah, it might flash a little bit. So if you're running into that, then I've discovered a little fix that could make it better. Obviously, the first thing you want to do is make sure it's got a fresh battery, which in this case I already had done that. But it kind of seemed like it had a poor connection, so I pulled the battery out. And what I noticed was that the top part of the battery, which is the positive end that goes down here, the contact looked like it was flat or mashed down in there, and so I was thinking maybe the battery wasn't touching. So I just started by taking these screws out here and here. But before I got them all the way out, I decided to put the battery back in and test it. And the first time that worked. So we've removed the two screws, and we're just gonna take a small, tiny little screwdriver here and pop this positive terminal out a little bit. You can kind of put the screwdriver in there and just kind of pop it out up higher so that it has better contact with the battery. And then we just put the unit back together. It snaps together. Put the screws in here and here. Put the screws in, put the battery back in, make sure it's in the right way. Positive goes toward the bottom. And put the cap back on. And let's see if it works. There it goes. Anyway, that's how you fix it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow the links in the description to help support my channel. Thank you.